Search on for 70-year-old woman reported missing on Christmas Day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 70-year-old Eloise Brown of Barbara Avenue, Edgewater, Portmore, St. Catherine has been missing since Wednesday, December 25th. She is of dark complexion, slim build and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Bridgeport police are that Miss Brown was last seen at home around 8 p.m. wearing a grey sweater, brown pants and a pair of pink sneakers. All efforts to contact her since then have proven futile. Anyone with information that can assist the police to find Eloise Brown is being asked to contact the Bridgeport police at 876-988-2697, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.